Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Marcella and today is a tutorial day. We are focusing on the eyes and I'm using only two products today. One of them being a liquid eyeshadow and another one just being a regular powder eyeshadow. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. And please consider subscribing to my channel as I do come out with new Avon related videos every single week, from tutorials to reviews to training videos. If you are an Avon representative, make sure you check out those training videos. And if you love makeup tutorials, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up as it really does help me with growing my YouTube channel. So we're starting off with this palette here. This is the Avon True Color Eyeshadow Quad in Warm Sunrise. This palette I purchased just for this color alone. I think it is gorgeous. It is like the perfect terracotta orange, super duper warm shade. As you guys can see, it's what I have in my crease and kind of blend it out. So you can take this terracotta color here too, or number 3, and I just have this blender brush. It's from MAC. It's the 217 brush that they have. You're just gonna go ahead, dip your brush in there, and I am just going to apply this to the crease of the eye. And so what I'm going to do next is grab a blender brush, and I am going in with the Morphe M505 brush, and it's just a blending brush. This one's really good and super inexpensive. So I am just going to go back and forth, and if you love makeup like I do, you know how blending can really take its time. You know, you want to make sure your makeup is blended super duper well. Next, I'm grabbing the star of the show, and it is the Glimmershadow liquid eyeshadow. And this is in the new finish. This is one of the shades of the new finish called Tiger's Eye. It's a beautiful bronzy color. And so if you want to check out my full review on the Glimmershadow Matte Sateen, I will link that video down below. There are 5 other gorgeous shades, so make sure that you check that video out. I'm gonna go ahead and literally just take it from the applicator and apply some to the middle of the eye. Then I'm gonna go in with my ring finger and just blend it out. See how it blends out super duper well? So what I love about this liquid eyeshadow, it's super buildable. So if you just want a really light color like that one, that's fine. But if you guys see, I kind of layered it a little bit to get more, I guess, a deeper color. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply another layer. I think it looks really pretty right now, but I want to apply a little more of that terracotta color into the crease a little bit more, just so it's a little bit more blended out, kind of like this one. And I just kind of go back and forth between doing this till I am satisfied with the look. I'll add more into the crease, kind of deepen that crease a little bit too. And then I will go back with that blending brush and just blend it out. Now I'm gonna go in with my favorite mascara, and that is the Love at First Lash mascara in Waterproof. Alrighty, so I'm gonna move on to the bottom lashes and then I'll see you guys in a second. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you are interested in any of these products, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a couple of links down below. The first one you'll see will take you to my website where you can fill out a quick little form so you can receive a coupon from me so that you can save some money on any Avon products that you purchase in the future. And then I'm also gonna link all of the products that I use down below as well. Full transparency, I am an Avon representative, and so all of the products that you click down below, I do receive a commission on them, but I obviously love Avon products. If you check out any of my other tutorials, you will see that that is very true with me. So thank you guys again so much for watching this video. Please go ahead and leave any suggestions down below, any type of looks you want to see, any type of Avon products you want to see in action. I would love to see what you guys are interested in. Maybe I can film a tutorial on that. But thank you guys again so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.